Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip packing or unpacking archives app on your Blackview BV6600E. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, search for an app, write RAR and hit the search button. Now select this app and click install. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, you will need to grant it all files access. So simply locate it right like this, then allow access to manage all files, go back, dismiss, and our app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.